cutie pies. Welcome to Kids O'Clock with Soumya. In today's craft story, I have brought you the story Rory and Rory. It's about a lion called Rory. Let's read his story. Please watch this video till the end for a fun fact about lions. Rory and Rory. Rory was a little lion. Actually, he wasn't so little anymore. But he never did anything like a grown-up lion. He spent all his days just playing with other little animals and birds and chasing butterflies. He never helped his parents in hunting and gathering food. Rory.
Hey frogs, let's do frog racing. I can jump higher than you all.
Frogs. Rory's mom. Rory, help your dad in catching that deer. Rory's dad. Rory.
You are so cute, butterfly.
Butterfly. No, you are cuter, Rory. But Rory's not helping with hunting didn't bother his parents as much as one other very important thing. Rory never roared. Yeah, he laughed, giggled, talked, but never ever roared. Not until then. Whenever Rory's dad asked him to roar, he would start laughing. Dad, roar. Rory. Rory didn't understand how important it was for his parents to have him roaring like a grown-up lion that he was. After all, that's why they named him Rory. But every time his dad asked him to roar, our Rory laughed. One day, his dad was trying to teach Rory to hunt. But while running after a deer, Rory's dad went too close to the edge of a cliff. He was about to fall down. Rory didn't at first understand what to do to save his dad from falling into the deep ocean. But then he remembered the sound of He rode and rode with all his might. And the roar was so loud that his mother, the lioness, heard it miles away. She came there running, and both the lioness and Rory pulled Rory's dad up the cliff. Mr. Lion was saved. Rory's parents had realized that Rory was capable of much more than what they gave him credit for. And whatever he does was out of his choice and not his inability. And should there be a need, he is capable to fend for himself and his family like a grown-up lion. From that day onwards, Rory's family roared less and laughed more. I hope you all liked the story. Now it's time for our DIY. Let's make a lion today with a disposable paper plate. Let's get started. I've taken a disposable paper plate and I'm tracing the shape of a circle. So if you see, the circle is not a full circle, it's actually partially cut, but that doesn't matter, and you'll find out why it doesn't matter in the later part of the video.
Now I'm using my Elmer's glue stick and applying glue on the inside of the paper plate, and then I'm pasting the partially cut circle on the paper plate. I accidentally picked up this glue stick which had this purple tint to it, but I don't want the purple tint, so I back to my tacky glue. But if you guys want to go ahead and use a glue stick, you are welcome to do that. I'm gluing the circle properly on the paper plate. Now I am taking my construction papers. I have taken the green one first. I'm folding it and I am cutting strips of rectangle papers. Then I am doing the same with the yellow paper, and then I am taking blue paper here and then red paper, and I'm just folding them and just cutting them in rectangle strips. We are going to actually make a lion's face with this paper plate. Now I'm sticking all the rectangle pieces in such a way that my circle will not appear as partially cut after I'm done pasting the strips. Making sure that my paper plate is not visible and only the yellow. I'm cutting anything that is extra in the strips. Now I'm tracing a small circle, and those are going to become the eyes of my lion. I'm just cutting the shape of the circle that I just made. I'm cutting a triangle, and this triangle is going to be the nose of my lion. After pasting the circles and the triangle on the line, I took up my Sharpie pen and I marked eyes, and I made lion's lips and a little bit of freckles, and also I added ears to my lion. Now if you want to hang this lion craft that we just made, you can put a double tape at the back and hang it in your room. Or you can use it for pretend play and become a lion and play with your friends today. Happy crafting! Now if you want to learn a fun fact about lions, watch this video till the end.
If you all like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and also share this video with your friends. I'll be back with more fun craft stories for you. Bye-bye.
A fun fact about lions. The roar of a lion can be heard as far away as 5 miles or 8 kilometers from the source. Wow!